In Lahore, an innovative farmer has developed a formula from natural herbs that neutralizes soil acidity and makes it cultivable. Watch this special report. Land that was previously uncultivable due to salinity, alkalinity, and excessive salts is now beginning to sprout guava plants. This transformation was made possible by a forward-thinking agricultural expert from Lahore. In Shahkot, an area in Nankana Sahib where no crops had grown for years, greenery is now spreading. We applied the formula we developed, which created earthworms in the soil. These earthworms feed on the organic material in the soil, and as a result, you can now see a guava orchard flourishing here. I aim to apply this approach to barren lands, transforming them into productive ones. If people wish, they can sell these lands at higher value or engage in profit sharing with farmers. Farmers in Shahkot are very pleased with this change. Land that had been barren for over 100 years is now showing signs of life. People initially thought it was impossible. They used to say, "This will not work, it's a waste of money." But now they see the results and acknowledge that everything is possible. A significant change has occurred, and many people are now taking an interest in these lands. Previously, no one would even visit this area,